Book review: The Visual MBA by Jason Barron. The Visual MBA by Jason Barron is a refreshing and engaging take on the world of business education. Rather than presenting dense academic theory, the book distills the core teachings of a traditional MBA program into hand-drawn illustrations and concise summaries. Barron, who created the book by sketching his entire MBA experience at Brigham Young University, breaks down complex topics like marketing, leadership, strategy, finance, operations, and ethics in a way that's both visually appealing and easy to digest. What makes this book stand out is its ability to convey powerful business concepts through simplicity and storytelling. It doesn't require readers to have a business background, making it ideal for aspiring entrepreneurs, creative professionals, or anyone curious about the MBA curriculum, but unable or unwilling to invest in a full-time program. While it may lack the depth of traditional textbooks, it excels at providing a clear, memorable, and fun overview of business fundamentals. The Visual MBA is an excellent primer or refresher for anyone looking to grasp key business ideas quickly and visually.